Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. What do nerds do on a Saturday night? They put out uh, YouTube videos. I'm just kidding. Well, sort of. Anyway, I wanted to give another recommendation tonight, a buy recommendation. A week ago, I gave Exelon, the utility company with a big dividend. A couple days ago, I gave Mattel, the toy maker. Both the Exxon had like 30% potential upside, Mattel like 50% potential upside. Tonight, I'm going to give you a household name. It doesn't have that big a upside, but I think into year end, early next year, this could be a nice addition. And it's also a technology name that I don't have a lot of in my recommendations. The only other one I have is a Chinese company called Tencent, which has huge upside, but riskier, of course. So let's get into it. First of all, before I get into the recommendation, I did want to show you a chart of the S&P 500. And as prices have hit higher highs since April of last year, the RSI is flashing lower highs, and that's flashing a caution sign to me. Beware, a change of trend is coming. In this case, it would be from up to down. If you look at the monthly chart, going back 20 years, we have a negative divergence going for 4.5 years. Large, the largest ever since 2007 was nothing like that, and 2000 was a 2.5 or 3 year negative divergence. So just to put that in context. Anyway, so I'm not overly, I would say that I'm bullish into year end, even though I officially have a neutral rating. There's things to buy, but I got one eye on the door to get out when I need to. So that's why it's good to have stops, and it's good to have pattern breakouts that you follow. But let me not be too long-winded. And the recommendation tonight is Microsoft. Uh, I don't think I've ever recommended Microsoft, and this goes back about 4 years, and we had an inverse head and shoulders down here, which gave us like a 320, 350 price projection. It overshot that. Now it's consolidated, and last week it broke out. So, but to put context here, this is only like a 6 month pattern versus, Mattel, which was multi-year, Exelon, multi-year, gold miners and things that I've been bullish on over the last couple of years. So this is more of a shorter term buy recommendation, but let's take a closer look at this, the symmetrical triangle. And so here you have it. Started in July, and we had a breakout like 3 days ago, a gap up on the breakout, which is textbook. The bulls and the bears are fighting here. Bears are shorting, bulls are buying. And when they get stopped out, the shorts, you get a jump up and you get a breakout. If you measure the base of the triangle and you project that distance upward, you come up with 517, $519, or about 19% potential upside. I like that. My stop is down here at about 417. So, we have a very good reward to risk. And so I like it. I think it's 3 to 1 or 4 to 1. Not as good as Mattel, but again, this is a big cap, more stable name. And so if we look at the point and figure chart, we have a bullish trend line. We even have a kind of a triangle here on our point and figure chart with a nice breakout. And the price projection here, based on a point and figure chart, is 523. So I like when they're in agreement with each other. And so that is my basis for the Microsoft buy recommendation. Please like and subscribe to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. I hope you're having a good holiday and seeing lots of friends and family. Adios. Have a great evening.